What's up, guys? So big in a minute.
Okay, I know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ashki.
Yeah, of course. NOP Makun. Yeah. Panasa Tunutara Sakawanda. Let's just react to VOLTZ JT easy. Yeah, easy. Saka medicines oti mkomana ruti cheaper easy. Alright. Easy. Taruti are we chi what is it? But so far my songs are tanzo. Yeah.
NOP Makuni.
Kumana
on the road to winning a Nama.
I found one
Nama on the road. I got started this year.
Yeah. I found one Nama. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the song. Like, share, and subscribe so to remember the channel.
Yes, sir.
Comment down below what's your favorite song in the album. Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Jack's on the track.
NOP JT on my plan. Then that's all I know. 1 2 1 2. Hey, yeah, NOP, yeah. That life very easy. That's a bang maskizi. Yeah, undo mfungwa dzinotipinza busy. Mwana kupenga hande kuchechi Tuesday chiri chipiri. Hands gurus, batanga futu kubata midzi. Painge pangoro waskizi. That life very easy. That's a bang maskizi.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Anyways,
That's it.
But
That's it.
okay, so I left it ain't get easy. There's a big skis. Okay. But how that affects you?
Yeah.
Because life again, they just really easy. You know, there's just everyone has to like show guys stuff. Yeah. Because the kind of things life is easy. So you're getting
comfortable.
You know, you're comfortable and so this is and stuff.
But what do you say to those when you're married and still doing it?
Hey, when you're married, still doing it. Hey,
But once again, runs the marine basari. So maybe you've got money, but you're not happy.
Exactly.
Which means
Saka life is easy.
Easy.
You see.
Saka either way.
That's not too much. What? It's okay.
That life very easy. That's a bang maskizi. Yeah. Very easy kusela so. Zugubo ziri pa flow. Zugubo zine mushonga undewe flow. Vazhinji nevazhinji takanofushira. Yeah. Havasi kuvhunduka. Yeah. Vasara vacho varongosara vachingovhurika. West mota dziri kutengwa nemabusiness emabase. Ghetto youth riri kusapota. Yeah. West chiri kugeza sei. Sauta pain dzinongooneka nekuface. Of course, yes. Dai zviri easy. Dzaisa bang maskizi. Zvakatanga ari mafani pazvanodzika midzi. Dzakutange wins.
But it is a flow like a car pizza. So I'm bad. No, I'm actually liking this song. I don't know why. That's a bit more easy. I want to know. This is a nice song, guys. Let's be honest.
Now, besides the fact, is of course.
Plus, you know the way I have put out after my facts with it.
I wrote out like I always say, for my life. It's real life relatable
things, exactly.
And it's about a certain group of people. I've got no option. Teaching me jump out of it.
Yeah, I know.
There's no funny people, no funny stress. Saga.
It's okay.
Hey, from my reference, I should know one this.
I can see the album. It's
no, but that's the whole story of NOP. With the door areas, no my roots.
Okay.
So maybe. Amen. We're still yet to understand the whole album. We're still yet to understand.
Gamins. Sakutange wins. Cause hapana ada kusiya masini. Vari pavanhu vanonyepera kusaziya masini. Still, dai life iri easy, dzaisapengwa skizi. Yeah, wondo mfungwa dzinotipinza busy. Mwana kupenga akande kuchechi Tuesday chiri chipiri. Anzi kuroots, vatanga futi kubata midzi. Yeah, painge pangorohwa skizi. Dai life iri easy, dzaisapengwa skizi.
Yeah, but it doesn't get out speeder. Anotaura zvakawanda.
Yeah.
But ataura zvakawanda.
Yeah. There's a big maskizi.
ndiye ola. Saka VOLTZ. Saka VOLTZ. Wafana wemazono waruma drugs.
But energy now in all like doing me futhi.
Wafana wemazono waruma drugs. Unoruma drugs.
But ulama makwizwa nizotipiza. Aningaroti uvurike pamberi pekamera.
Oh, that's I don't go at top news. But I mean,
chazomira anti animal.
Saka VOLTZ.
Okay guys, that's it for the video guys. I hope you like it and subscribe to Spot Members channel.
Yes,
Leave me down below what you think. We're gonna do like that soon, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but yeah, that's it.